Alright, so last Friday we picked up a 1949 Cub Farmall tractor from a guy my dad knows. Been sitting for a while. He started it every year, and it fired every year except this year, so he decided to get rid of it. I picked it up for $200, and after about an hour and a half of tinkering, a little bit of water got into the head. We ended up cleaning it out, draining it, cleaning up the plugs, and we've been having a blast this Memorial Day weekend of 2021. So I'll give you a little walk around of the tractor, and hope you enjoy it. Decided to leave it patinaed and just clear coated over it because the rust was kind of getting on your clothes and on your hands. But she runs pretty good. Lights all work on it. PTO works on it. A neat little tractor for playing around in the yard. Generator charges. Kind of like this look better than restoring it. About all I got. Not the most entertaining video, but thought I'd share the tractor with you, and looking forward to playing around with it. Thanks for watching.